The Jolly Friends are here for you to help make your wishes come true.
Jollibee's wish came true one day when a shooting star came his way. Into the well it fell, and then there appeared four new friends.
Oh no! Ang high-tech na kaibigan!
Hetty here to bring some cheer.
Oh, Hetty! Papa Sports ang paborito ko, yeah!
I'm Twirly, sing and dance with me.
And me, the best friend, Jollibee.
Come to Jolly Town and play. Jolly Friends, hip hip hooray. Come to Jolly Town and play. Jolly Friends, hip hip hooray. There's something wrong. What's happening?
I've never seen it behave this way before.
Yeah.
This is really strange. The well hasn't glowed for 3 days now.
I know. But kids haven't stopped wishing. The well is showing different kids.
What could
be wrong? Look.
But it's very hazy, and you can't hear what they're saying.
Oh, yeah.
Here, maybe I can use my data analyzer for this.
Good idea.
Here it is. Ta-da! All I need is a sample.
Right.
Okay, let's drop it here.
I hope we get to the bottom of this.
We will.
The data reveals that the amount of proclamations of petitions and utterances of various desires are inversely proportional to the articulations of acknowledgement.
What? What's that? Which means...
Which means too many people are making requests, but not enough are saying thank you. That is causing the water of the well to become cloudy. We have to restore the state of equilibrium so that the well will function again.
I get it.
Pero paano?
Will it help if we say thank you to each other?
Yeah,
Like,
why not?
say, Twirly.
Huh?
Thank you for letting me borrow your crayons yesterday.
Whoa! Nakita niyo yun?
Looks like it's working.
Wow.
How about, Yum, thank you for fixing the lights in my theater.
You're welcome.
Oh.
Yay!
I know. Ekong, thank you. Aw, that didn't work.
I don't think so.
Maybe the thank yous have to be from different people and for different reasons.
Oh.
We have to get as many people to say thank you to other people. Kids,
Yeah.
gusto niyo ba kaming tulungan?
We should appoint a day when everyone can express their gratitude at the same time or day. A day of thanks.
That's right.
A Jolly Town Thank You Day.
Oh, hi, kids. Today is Thank You Day at Jollytown. Sumulat kami at nagpadala kami ng mga regalo sa aming mga kaibigan. I received a lot of cards for me, Popo, Yum, Hetty, and Twirly. We're meeting in the garden so that we can read them together. Wanna join us? Come on!
Let's fix this a
Hey,
little bit.
guys!
Oh, hi, Jollibee! Hi, Jollibee!
Hey, Jollibee!
Hey.
Look what we got in the mail!
Yeah, dami, no?
Lots of thank you cards from children everywhere!
Madami ring tayong natanggap na email.
Oh, wow, I can't wait to read them.
Yeah, me
Who
too.
wants to choose the first one?
Me, I do! Take a look at this card.
That one,
it's
look.
decorated with leaves
Yeah.
and twigs and flowers.
Wow.
Right?
So who is it from?
It's from Pipoy Puno.
Oh.
It says, Dear Jolly Friends, hindi ko malilimutan ang araw na tinulungan niyo ako.
Ah, yes. That was a happy day indeed.
Yeah, you're right.
Do you remember that day, guys?
Yep,
I
of
do.
course.
Yeah. I can forget that.
That was a fun day.
We're gonna make someone smile today. We're gonna spread some happiness. So what do you say?
We'll cheer up a friend who's feeling down.
So come on everyone in Jolly Town.
You'll feel good too when you help a friend today. Isang kaibigan, magdadala ng konting kasiyahan. Lungkot niya ay gagawing ligaya, kaya halina, kayo lahat sumama na. Sarap ng pakiramdam pag may natutulungan. We're gonna make someone smile today. We're gonna spread some happiness, so what do you say? We'll cheer up a friend who's feeling down. So come on everyone in Jollytown. You'll feel good too when you help a friend today.
Yeah, that was fun.
That was very sweet of people to send us a card.
Yeah, you're right.
Huh?
Whoa!
Wow.
Wow! Did you see that, guys? The well glowed. I think it's working.
Pagkaganap sa Jollytown. Abangan sa Jollytown. Grab the fun-tasting thrill of Chupa Chups with Chupa Chups.
It's working.
Wow.
Magbasa pa tayo ng cards.
Yeah.
Here we go. Let me open it. This one is from Andy and Rafi. Dear Jolly Friends, thank you for teaching us to be tidy and neat with our things. Lagi naming kinakanta ang Clayho sa school. Tuwing nagliligpit kami ng books, toys, at pagkain.
Yeah. Kung saan mo kinuha ang bagay, doon ibabalik ulit. Para maayos at malinis ang bahay, ganito ang pagligpit. Quago, Quago, clean as you go. Quago, Quago, clean as you go. Quago, Quago, clean as you go. Claygo, clean as you go. Quago, Quago, oh.
Kapag halo-halo ang mga gamit, hindi ba't nakakaduling? Keep them in different containers at madali na silang hanapin. Quago, Quago, clean as you go. Quago, Quago, clean as you go. Quago, Quago, clean as you go. Claygo, clean as you go. Quago, Quago, oh. Quago, Quago, clean as you go. Quago, Quago, clean as you go. Quago, Quago, clean as you go. Claygo, clean as you go. Claygo, clean as you go. Quago, Quago, oh.
That's amazing! Yeah! Hindi lang pala mga Jollytown kids ang natutulungan natin, but also kids from different places. I'm so happy!
This email will even make you more happy. This one is from Mia. Do you remember her?
Yeah.
Of course I do!
I wonder how she is.
Huwag malungkot o mag-alala dahil di katulad ng iba. Kaanyuan man ay nagbago, hindi ang dami nang nagmamahal sa iyo.
Huwag ikahiya ang kaibahan. Ang kapansanan ay hindi hadlang. Subukan ng ibang mga bagay at tuklasin ang lakas na taglay.
Narito ako, iyong kaibigan. Ako'y saklay na nasasandalan. Ikaw ay ikaw at ako'y ako pa rin. Di magbabago ang pagtingin. Di magbabago ang pagtingin.
May sarili kang kakayahan. Lakas mo ay hinahangaan.
Ibalik muli ang iyong ngiti, pagkat ikaw ay bukod tanging. Narito ako, iyong kaibigan. Ako'y saklay na masasandalan. Ikaw ay ikaw at ako'y ako pa rin. Di magbabago ang pagtingin. Di magbabago. Of course I remember. How is Mia?
Well, sabi niya, "Hi, Jolly Friends. I'm visiting another country right now. But I heard about Thank You Day in Jollytown. Thank you so much for cheering me up when I felt so down because of my broken leg. And thank you for Sally Saklay, the best gift I've ever received. Sending you lots of love, Jolly Friends."
Oh, that's so sweet of
I'm
her.
really happy for Mia.
What's happening?
Hey, you're not crying, are you?
Twirly, Twirly, tahan na. Mia is okay, and we
Yeah.
should be happy for her.
Uh-huh.
I know. Tears of joy ito.
You're not gonna cry.
Okay.
Whoa!
Hey!
Wow.
The well is glowing again. Woo! Ako nang next, ha? Ito. Kanina ko pa gustong buksan ang box na to, eh. It smells really good.
Yeah, it does.
Hey!
Wow. Pengi ako. Wow, cookies.
Who's it from, Popo?
Let's see. Here we go. It's from Bong.
Oh,
He says,
Bong.
"Dear Jolly Friends, thank you for teaching me how to share. And because I had a great time baking with you, nag-aral din akong mag-bake para magawa ko itong mga cookies para sa inyo. I hope you enjoy them."
Let's taste it.
Cookie break muna tayo lahat.
Can I have one?
Ano ang recipe ng friends na laging jolly? Sasabihin ko sa'yo, makinig ka ng mabuti. You gotta share, you gotta share. Come on everyone, let's share. Kapag marunong maghati, doble ang saya. So come on everyone, let's share.
Kung may pagkain ka, ibigay alukin. Kung may pagkain, sabay ninyong kainin. Pantay mong hahatiin, upang siya ay makatikim.
You gotta share, you gotta share. Come on everyone, let's share. Kapag marunong maghati, doble ang saya. So come on everyone, let's share. Ito ang sangkap ng buhay na masarap. Ito ang katangian ng mabuting kaibigan. La 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 la. You gotta share, you gotta share. Come on everyone, let's share. Mapagbigay ng puso ay anong saya. So come on everyone, let's share. Kapag marunong maghati, doble ang saya. So come on everyone, let's share.
That was good.
Yummy.
Ang sarap na na. We should also write Bong a thank you note for sending these treats.
Tama. I'll do that later. Oh, hey guys. Someone sent us a
Whoa.
CD.
Hey, neat.
It's from a mommy named Joanne.
Whoa!
Yum. Why don't you play it on your laptop?
Yeah, yo.
Oh, sure,
good
no
idea.
problem.
Here you go.
Okay now.
Woo! So excited.
I wonder what this CD is. Let's play it.
Hello, Jollibee, Turley, Hetty, Popo, and Yum. I just want to thank you for the song You Gotta Share. Since my two children learned about the song, nako, mas naging mapagbigay na sila. At they share their things, their toys, their books, and even their snacks. Hindi na sila nag-aaway. And they also share their things with their playmates.
Thank you, Jolly Friends. Bye. Bye.
Thank you too, Mommy.
Whoa!
Let's go have another look.
Yeah.
It's
How is
glowing!
Oh.
Oh! Take a look at this. It's a picture frame made of recycled material. Pretty. Who made it? Suchikoi.
Oh.
Remember him? Oh, yeah. The note in the frame says,
Okay.
"Hi, Jolly Friends. Alam nyo, hindi na ako nagkakalat ngayon. Kahit isang wrapper. Good. I I make sure na malinis lagi ang aking kapaligiran. My friends help me too. I hope you like this picture frame that I made.
Isang wrapper, isang plastic, isang supot lang. Alam mo ba na pag dumami yan ang dumi ng kapaligiran?
Tama si Yam.
Isang bote, isang tissue, isang chewing gum. Pag iniwan mo kung saan-saan, dudumi ang kapaligiran. Kung magkakalat ng bawat isa, daluyan ng tubig ay magdadara. Pag umulan ay magbabaha, mamamatay ang halaman at isda. Isang wrapper, isang plastic, isang supot lang. Huwag iiwan kung saan-saan, itapon mo sa basurahan. Huwag iiwan kung saan-saan, itapon mo sa basurahan. Itapon mo sa basurahan. Itapon mo sa basurahan. Yeah!
It's good to know that more and more kids are becoming aware of their environment.
Yep.
Yeah.
We only have one world, and we've got to take good care of it.
Isang supot lang. Alam mo ba na pag dumami yan ang dumi ng kapaligiran?
Tama si Yam.
Isang bote, isang tissue, isang chewing gum. Pag iniwan mo kung saan-saan, dudumi ang kapaligiran. Kung magkakalat ng bawat isa, daluyan ng tubig ay magdadara. Pag umulan ay magbabaha, mamamatay ang halaman at isda. Isang wrapper, isang plastic, isang supot lang. Huwag iiwan kung saan-saan, itapon mo sa basurahan. Kung magkakalat ng bawat isa, daluyan ng tubig ay magdadara. Pag umulan ay magbabaha, mamamatay ang halaman at isda. Isang wrapper, isang plastic, isang supot lang. Huwag iiwan kung saan-saan, itapon mo sa basurahan. Huwag iiwan kung saan-saan, itapon mo sa basurahan. Itapon mo sa basurahan. Itapon mo sa basurahan. Yeah!
Guys! You will love this next card. Ta-da!
Wow!
Hey!
It's a pop-up card.
It's us!
Cool, huh? And it came with a note. It's from Karina.
Karina?
Dear Jolly Friends, I will never forget the first story I read with you. Mula noon, lagi na ako nagbabasa ng iba't ibang klase ng libro. Kahit walang pictures. Lagi ko nang ginagamit ang aking imagination. Do you remember the story we read with Karina?
Of course I remember.
Imagination. Imagination. Saan mo gustong magtungo? Halina't maglakbay sa libro. Imagination. Imagination.
Ako'y isang reyna ng kaharian.
Ako'y matapang na leon sa kagubatan.
Ako'y isang sirena sa karagatan.
Kami ay astronaut sa kalawang. Oh, wow! Ang dami pa nating cards and gifts!
Yeah, it's nice to know that a lot of kids still remember us.
And the fact that they remember the little lessons makes everything worthwhile.
Yeah, that's
There are
true.
more cards here for each of you.
Wow.
Okay. Let's see.
Here,
Twirly.
thanks.
Oh, that's for
Popo?
me? Oh, wow!
And
Cool!
for Yum.
Thanks. Okay, now let me read this here.
And for him.
You go
Thank
too.
you, Jollibee.
There you go.
I wonder who...
Jollibee, sa'yo galing to
Oh, nga, no? Thanks, Jollibee.
You're welcome, guys.
Thanks, Jollibee.
Of course, of course. I just wanted to thank you all for making my life jollier. My world became more colorful the day you guys came to Jollytown. Kay dami kong gustong makilala sa iba't ibang batay magbibigay saya. Hindi ka na mag-iisa, may jolly friends ka na tutulungan ka. La 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 la. Dalawang magkasama at magkasalo.
Mas maraming magagawa ang tatlo.
Lumulundag ang puso ko dahil ang jolly friends ko ay narito. La 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 la.
Para pantay ang pangkat, maganda kong apat. Para kumpleto ang kanta, ang galing-galing ng lima.
Ang kaibigan ay narito na sa maraming batay magbibigay saya. Buhay ay jolly at anong ganda kapag may jolly friends ka. Kapag may jolly friends ka. La 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 la. At salamat sa Shooting Star at sa Wishing Well, my wish came true. Oh, you guys are the best friends ever.
Aw, thanks, buddy.
And you're the best friend anyone could have. We also have a little something for you, Jollibee. Right, Popo?
Right. Hold on a sec.
What?
Where is it?
Use it. Oh no, Popo. Where is it?
Yeah.
Wait. I remember where it is. Just give me a few seconds, okay?
Alright, okay. Ay, nako. Si Popo talaga makakalimutin. Naku, sana hindi na nawala.
Whirly.
Ang sabi ko, sana hindi niya nawala.
Yung alin?
Come on.
Ano ba yung nawala, Twirly?
Alam mo naman si Popo, Jollibee. Palaging ang dami iniisip nun.
Okay. Eh, ano nga yung nawala? Ha? Wow! Hey!
A magic sunflower for you, Jollibee. Its beauty will never fade.
Just like our friendship.
We want to thank you for making Jollytown always jolly.
Wow! Thanks, guys! Ilalagay ko to sa room ko to remind me of our friendship every day. You're the best!
My situation analyzer is suggesting that this is a group hug moment.
Group
Come on, kids! Thanks for being here. Hey! Hey, guys! The well is working again! Hooray! Hey! Whoa. Hey, you feel that? What's going on?
What was that?
Oh.